Hello everyone. The Advanced Attendance module allows us to view an attendance record within an attendance dashboard. It provides an filtering option to view a specific attendance data and enables a generation of a detailed record based on the selected criteria. Now, after installing this module, now let's get into the user and companies. So for the user, we need to enable an access for and showing an attendance dashboard. So after enabling this option, user can see an dashboard in the attendance module. Now let's get into the attendance. So in the attendance module, you can see an attendance dashboard as a first. So here you can see a greetings for an employee, and in this you can see a short form, and here in this you can see all the filters which is based on the department wise, employee wise, month wise, and also year wise. Under that you can see all the employee names. Okay, and here in this you can see date wise record, and under that you can see the leave summary of that person for all employees. Okay, so now let's filter it out based on a department wise, like based on the admin wise. So you can see the employee based on the admin, and if you have multiple employees you can see all those lists over here. Let me go through the another one. Yeah, so here it shows all the employee names. Okay, so before getting into that, you can see that it W stands for weekend, so it shows a weekends, and here in this you can see how much hours they have work, and also in this you can see how much days they have applied for a leave and which is approved. And in this you can see the weekend days, and you can see the all those things. And if they are in leave, you can see that will be marked as yellow. Okay, and if it is an holiday, so we can see those things in the Hutch. Okay, so these are the things which we have. Now apart from this, you can see the filter for a month wise, so where you can see a month wise record for each and every employee. Now let's make it for an admin, so you can see that for a March, department wise this person records. Okay, and let me get into the all reports. So let's take a report for all. Okay, now in this, while scroll down you can see a leave summary. So leave summary for a person, so you can just click on the view option to view an leave request that we have for this particular person, and which is in the approved state or not, or to approved state, everything can be seen here in this page. Okay, so this is all about an this module, and additionally we have an other options like print option. So let's click on the print, so where you can see all the details about all the employees, everything. So in case if I have filtered something based on the employee wise, or else the month wise, anything. So okay, if I print, it will filter, it will take the filter based on that only. Okay, and we can save this one. It will be stored in our system as a record. And also we have another option like a mode change, like dark mode, and you can see a light mode also. So in this you can make use of this to change the mode. So these are all about our module. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.